Production and sales. The 1957 Volkswagen Beetle was a defining moment for the iconic car, marking a new era in its production and sales history. That year saw Volkswagen ramp up production, with more than 1 million units rolling off the assembly line in Germany alone. This fine example, a sunroof sedan originally sold for $1,575. The popularity of the VW Beetle was reaching new heights, and it quickly became one of the best-selling cars in the world, especially in the US, where it gained a massive following. History and origins. In the 1930s, Hitler had a vision for Germany to become a major industrial power, and part of that vision included the development of a car for the masses. He believed that every German family should have access to a car, and he tasked Ferdinand Porsche with designing a vehicle that was affordable, efficient, and easy to operate. This was the origin of the Volkswagen Beetle. The first Beetle was produced in 1938 and quickly became popular in Germany and around the world. Its simple yet innovative design, combined with its affordability, made it an instant classic. Styling. The exterior styling of the 1957 Volkswagen Beetle is one of the most recognizable designs in automotive history. The front of the VW Beetle was dominated by the large, round headlights and the distinctive VW logo. The rounded hood and fenders, along with the sloping windshield, gave the car a smooth and aerodynamic appearance. The side view of the Beetle was equally impressive, with its gentle curves and rounded doors. The rear of the 1957 VW Beetle was perhaps its most distinctive feature, with its slanted deck and small, oval taillights.